One of the viewers on my channel had asked me about setting up the Little Giant heater, specifically the output side. So what I did was, I'm almost positive this is a 3/4 inch female T. So I screwed it on to the back of the heater, and then one side I reduced it down and used a 90 to connect the solution hose to. And on the other side, I connected my pressure relief valve with the fittings. It's been probably about 8 years, so I don't remember the size of the fittings. And I connected some tubing right here that I ran through the floor of my trailer just as an overflow for when or if the pressure relief valve was activated. And for the front, it's just a female quick connect going to a 90 that connected to the existing pipe that was coming out of the heater. So really there's not a whole lot to setting up one of these. But just remember to be sure and use a pressure relief valve on it, because if you get some spikes or something, it could burst the heater. I know that my model is rated at 600 psi, but I heard that they're pressure tested to 900 psi, and on occasion I ran the pressure a little higher than I should have without any problems. But you definitely want to have the pressure relief valve installed just in case. So that's it for this video. Thanks for watching. If you have any more questions, put them in the comments and I'll try to answer them.